Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in the highly coveted area of Tower Isle, St. Mary, we have this spacious 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom house for sale. It presents an exceptional opportunity for those seeking to add their personal touch. This house was built in 2002. While it may require a bit of tender loving care and modernization, the potential of this property is limitless. Equipped with a convenient 2-car automatic garage and a reliable security system, this home offers both practicality and peace of mind. Enjoy breathtaking, unobstructed views of the ocean from the comfort of your own abode, providing a serene backdrop for daily living. The expansive land space of 0.34 acres is large enough to accommodate another residential unit and opens up endless possibilities for expansion or additional rental income. Just a short 10 minutes drive from the vibrant town of Ocho Rios, residents have easy access to an array of amenities, attractions, and entertainment options. This property in Tower Isle promises a lifestyle of convenience, potential, and coastal charm. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 900,000 or Jamaican $138.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.